G'day everyone, I'm David and this is my Tabletop Standard, and today we're looking at the Guardians of the Galaxy Remix expansion for Marvel United. The Guardians of the Galaxy have made the name for themselves, travelling the stars fighting for the helpless, righting wrongs and occasionally wronging the rights. But by and large, their good deeds outshine the bad, and Ronan, the accuser, has had enough. The Guardians have interfered with Ronan's plans, the Kree, and their self-proclaimed righteous war for the last time. Ronan ranks among the most formidable villains the Guardians have ever faced, and his master plan is as simple as can be. Put an end to the Guardians permanently. In personal combat, even Star-Lord, Rocket Raccoon, Groot and Gamora have little chance against the accuser, wielding his godlike universal weapon. They must scramble their way from star to star, helping where they can, and thwarting Ronan's minions wherever possible. No place is safe for the Guardians as long as Ronan hounds their steps. Their only hope is to gather enough strength to finally defeat Ronan or frustrate his plans long enough to give up on the hunt. Either way, the Guardians of the Galaxy are in a race against time. If you like the music, please consider having a look at Gabriel's channel. He's very graciously let me use his music for my videos. If you do like my content, please consider subscribing to it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'll see you later.